Just stick with me, kid. I know this town like the back of my hand. Hey, that's new.
Mr. Big Wells, are you okay?
I'm the prettiest girl at the Harvest Moon Ball.
The force is strong with this one.
We did want a boy, right? This won't hurt a bit, son.
And why is she called Aunt Fanny?
I was just kidding. Just put your head between your legs.
Now, let's get down to the business of sucking.
What about the dishes?
Give me those eyes, big eyes, big eyes. Give me big anime eyes.
Yeah, I'm loving it, loving it, loving it!
So far, I'm up to 4.
You crazy nut boy.
Yeah. Well, hello there. What's your name?
I'm Rodney Big Bottom. No, I'm not.
Oh, say, are you following me?
No.
First time on the Crosstown Express?
Well, actually, I...
Oh, boy.
Talk to him.
Robot City?
Thanks.
What? I gotcha! You see, because you were all excited, and then boom!
Fuck, shit, balls, ass, weed, piss, damn, fuck again. If YouTube marks this as made for kids, they are encouraging kids to swear, which is a federal offense according to this book. Checkmate, ass wipes.
You fucker! You fucking bitch!